Hi fam, you're welcome back to our channel. It's currently Project Galore in Enugu State, as the governor of the state, Governor Peter Mbah, yesterday flagged up the construction of the new Enugu city. Also, a 40-kilometer dual carriageway, 71 urban roads, the Innovation Park East, and so many other projects. In today's video, we'll be showing you all you need to know about this upcoming project. So guys, if you are new to our channel, you're welcome to Arlin TV. Do well to click the subscribe button and turn on notification bell, so whenever we upload videos like this, you get to see it. And if you are a returning subscriber, as always, thank you so much.
Welcome. It's important for me to bring the activities we've had today into its proper context. First of all, we started off with the flag of the urban roads. And in terms of length, we're talking about a road length of over 150 kilometers. And then we went to the next stop, where we flagged off and did the groundbreaking of our new Enugu city. And we're here again, witnessing the construction of a dual carriageway that would again mark another route to the North Central market. So what we have done is keeping in line with our promise to Enugu. We did say to you that we're going to give you a new city during our campaign. We have done that today by the flag off. We also said to you that we're going to regreen, we're going to rehabilitate, we're going to reconstruct our city roads, the Enugu roads, the urban roads. And we also have started that today. And recall also that we said we're going to unlock our rural economy. And the best way to do that is to ensure that we have access roads to our farmland, and that we also create special economic zones in our rural area. So this is again another promise we made that we're fulfilling today.
Welcome.